Today we are exploring the lighthouse in Key West, Florida. Now, the first lighthouse was built in 1825, standing 65 feet tall with 15 whale oil lamps and reflectors, guiding mariners through the treacherous reefs around Key West. The original tower was destroyed in 1846 by the Great Havana Hurricane, which devastated much of Key West. Now, the first lighthouse keeper was Barbara Mabrity, and he served from 1826 until 1832, where then his wife took over his position and served until 1864. Eventually, the United States Coast Guard automated the lighthouse in 1915 and then finally decommissioned it in 1969 after it was transferred to the county of Monroe, who leased it to the Key West Arts and Historical Society, becoming the Lighthouse and Keeper's Quarter Museum. Today, visitors to the lighthouse can climb the 88 steps to the top for a stunning view and explore the Keeper's Quarters. Alright guys, I loved going through the Keeper's Quarters, but now it's time for the best part. Time to climb the lighthouse and see the view of Key West. Going up the lighthouse now. Here we go.
Are you coming up?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll wait.
I'm on the top of the tower. That was good. Now for the hard part is going to be going back down without looking down.
Yeah, don't look down.
That's going to be the interesting part. You just got to focus really hard
Going around
on your toenails. Key West Lighthouse. Now, after the Hemingway house, this was my favorite place to visit. Climbing the lighthouse, it was just awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next adventure.